Hello friends, parents and viewers. Welcome to Movieflix channel. If you are new in our channel, then please subscribe, like and press bell icon for receiving new videos directly into your inbox. Please share our video and must comment your feedback for improving of our channel. Thank you.
iPhone SE 2020 specs and new features: 64GB, 128GB, 256GB of storage. 4.7 inches, 1334 by 750 at 326 pixels per inch display, 625 nits brightness, 1400:1 contrast, true tone, 12 MP f 1.8 rear-facing camera with flash portrait mode, 4K video. 7 MP f 2.2 front-facing camera, portrait mode. iPhone SE comes in three beautiful colors: black, white and product red, and will be available for pre-order. iPhone SE features an aerospace-grade aluminum and durable glass design with an all-black front, and is available in black, white and product red. The rear glass finish includes a centered Apple logo and is made using a 7-layer color process for precise hue and opacity, delivering rich depth of color with a color-matched aluminum band. It is water and dust resistant with an IP67 rating for water resistance up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. A13 Bionic, the fastest chip in a smartphone. A13 Bionic is the fastest chip ever in a smartphone and provides unparalleled performance for every task iPhone SE handles. Perfect for photography, gaming and augmented reality experiences, A13 Bionic makes every action feel fluid. A13 Bionic was built with a focus on machine learning, with a dedicated 8-core neural engine capable of 5 trillion operations per second, 2 machine learning accelerators on the CPU and a new machine learning controller to balance performance and efficiency. Together, A13 Bionic and iOS 13 enable new intelligent apps that make use of machine learning and core milliliter.